Welcome back to Motor Enthusiasts. Today we are going to explore luxurious mansion running on the roads. So buckle up for riding it. Imagine driving down a quiet mountain highway at sunset and suddenly seeing something that looks less like a vehicle and more like a moving skyscraper. That's the feeling this massive multiple-story luxury motorhome gives. Built on the legendary Kenworth T2000 truck platform, this futuristic concept transforms a powerful semi-truck into what can only be described as a rolling mansion. From the outside, the deep blue body, chrome grille, and multiple heavy-duty axles already make the truck look impressive, but what really grabs attention is the towering three-level structure sitting on the trailer. Large panoramic windows wrap around every floor, giving it the appearance of a modern glass house traveling down the road. As you approach the motorhome, the scale of the design becomes even more impressive. The lower level stretches long and wide, supported by multiple axles that help carry the massive weight of the structure. The bodywork is smooth and futuristic, with curved edges and glossy paint reflecting the surrounding scenery. Exterior lighting runs along the sides, highlighting the architecture at night and making it look like a luxury yacht on wheels. One of the most eye-catching details is the staircase on the outside that connects the levels. Instead of hiding the structure, the designers embraced the concept of a mobile building and turned the staircases into a visual centerpiece. Stepping inside the motorhome feels more like entering a high-end penthouse than an RV. The first level opens into a spacious luxury living area designed for comfort during long road journeys. Marble flooring spreads across the room, reflecting soft ambient LED lighting installed along the ceiling and under the furniture. A large sectional sofa sits in the center facing a massive smart television mounted on a decorative wall panel. The seating area is designed for relaxing after a day of travel, and the huge windows surrounding the space bring in natural light and panoramic views of mountains, deserts, or coastlines depending on where the vehicle is parked. Just a few steps away is the gourmet kitchen, which looks like it belongs inside a luxury apartment rather than a motorhome. A large marble island sits at the center, surrounded by modern cabinetry finished in rich wood and metallic accents. Built-in appliances include a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, and hidden storage compartments that maximize space without cluttering the design. Soft lighting under the cabinets creates a warm atmosphere, and bar stools around the island make it a perfect place for casual dining or conversation. Moving through the first floor, you'll also find a luxury bathroom designed with a spa-inspired aesthetic. The shower area features a large glass walk-in rain shower with gold fixtures and elegant stone tiles. Nearby sits a freestanding bathtub positioned next to a panoramic window, allowing travelers to relax in a warm bath while enjoying breathtaking outdoor views. LED mirrors, floating vanities, and carefully placed plants give the space a calm and luxurious feeling similar to a five-star hotel spa. The real magic of this motorhome reveals itself as you climb the staircase to the second level. The staircase itself is a work of art, with glass railings and illuminated steps creating a futuristic atmosphere. When you reach the second floor, you enter the private living quarters. This level is dedicated mainly to the master bedroom and personal relaxation spaces. The bedroom features a king-size bed placed in front of massive glass walls that provide a nearly 180-degree view of the outside world. Imagine waking up in the mountains, deserts, or by the ocean while sunlight slowly fills the room through floor-to-ceiling windows. The bedroom design focuses heavily on comfort and elegance. Soft fabrics, leather headboards, and carefully designed lighting make the space feel calm and inviting. Storage cabinets are seamlessly integrated into the walls to keep everything organized while maintaining a minimalist look. A private lounge corner sits nearby with two comfortable chairs and a small table, creating the perfect space for morning coffee or quiet reading while enjoying the scenery. Continuing upward, the final staircase leads to the most spectacular part of the motorhome, the top floor sky lounge. This is where the design truly becomes extraordinary. The top level is almost entirely surrounded by glass walls, turning it into a panoramic observation deck. During the day, sunlight fills the space, while at night the interior lighting transforms the lounge into a glowing glass pavilion on wheels. Inside the Sky Lounge, modern designer sofas and chairs are arranged around a sleek glass coffee table. A luxury bar counter stretches along one side, complete with high stools and built-in storage for drinks and glassware. The space feels open and airy, almost like a rooftop lounge in a luxury hotel. Because of the height of the motorhome, the views from this level are even more dramatic, allowing passengers to look over surrounding landscapes as if they were on a balcony. One of the most impressive aspects of the top floor is the outdoor rooftop terrace area. Accessible through sliding glass doors, this open space features comfortable lounge chairs, a small dining table, and decorative lighting. It's the perfect place to relax during sunset, enjoy a meal under the stars, or simply take in the surrounding scenery. The designers clearly imagined this motorhome as a traveling luxury resort rather than just a vehicle. Despite its enormous size and luxurious interior, the motorhome still retains the powerful engineering of the Kenworth truck platform. The large semi-truck front section houses a powerful engine capable of pulling the massive structure across long distances. Multiple axles provide stability and help distribute the weight evenly, which is crucial for a vehicle of this scale. Advanced suspension systems would likely be required to ensure a smooth ride for passengers inside. Another fascinating element of this concept is how it redefines the idea of RV travel. Traditional motorhomes are designed mainly for practicality and compact living, but this three-story design pushes the boundaries of what a recreational vehicle can be. Instead of simply offering a place to sleep and cook, it creates an entire luxury lifestyle experience on wheels. Imagine taking this motorhome on a cross-country journey. You could park beside a lake, open the panoramic windows, and enjoy dinner in the Sky Lounge while watching the sunset reflect across the water. Later, you might relax in the rooftop lounge under the stars or unwind in the spa-style bathroom. In the morning, you wake up in the glass-walled bedroom surrounded by breathtaking natural landscapes. Of course, a motorhome of this size would likely be more of a futuristic concept than a production vehicle. Height restrictions, road regulations, and engineering challenges would make it extremely difficult to build something exactly like this in real life. However, the design still represents an exciting vision of what luxury mobile living could look like in the future. What makes this concept truly fascinating is how it blends architecture with automotive design. Instead of thinking of a vehicle as simply transportation, it turns it into a moving building. The three levels, glass walls, rooftop lounge, and spa-style interiors create an experience that feels closer to a luxury penthouse than a traditional RV. In the end, the Kenworth T2000 three-story motorhome concept represents the ultimate dream for luxury road travel. It combines powerful trucking engineering with modern architectural design to create something that feels both futuristic and extravagant. Whether parked in the mountains, beside the ocean, or in the middle of a desert landscape, this massive motorhome would instantly become the center of attention anywhere it goes. It's not just a vehicle. It's a skyscraper on wheels, a mobile mansion, and a bold vision of the future of luxury travel.